Hey guys, Dr. Andrew here from Rabina Chiro Wellness Centre. Welcome to this episode of the Chiro Couch. Now today we're going to be talking about neck spasms. I'm going to give you the three main reasons why you might be having a neck spasm and maybe some things that can help you with the treatment for it. But the number one thing that can cause a neck spasm could be coming from your muscles. Now your muscles all the muscles around the neck through here might contract due to lots of different reasons. You might sleep funny, and as a result there's a mild strain to that area, and just gentle stretching can also help with that. But on the second most common reason for muscle spasms in that area is that a nerve is actually being pinched. Now those muscles are contracting to prevent you from pinching that nerve more. Now if you do things like massage, for example, it might relieve the muscle, but then you start to pinch the nerve even more, and then the problem gets worse. So there's lots of different ways that we can actually tell how you have a nerve pinch. It could be pinched from the disc, it could be pinched from a joint, it could be pinched from inflammation. You might have had an injury, for example. Now that's actually the third thing that can cause muscle spasms in the neck. And the most obvious one is a whiplash. But I don't know if you know, but whiplash injuries can occur at just 10 kilometers per hour. So if you're playing touch footy and somebody pushes you really hard, that actually can give you a mild injury or a mild whiplash. And obviously there's different grades, mild, moderate, and severe. And we really want to grade those because that will also determine what type of treatment, how long you need to have treatment for. But in a lot of cases, you could just use rest, ice, gentle stretching for your neck spasms. But if that doesn't get better within a day, we do recommend you come in and get a thorough assessment to make sure that your neck problem is not going to just cause you problems now, but we talk about in the future as well. And I can't tell you how many people I see who had a motor vehicle accident 10 years ago and they're now suffering because the disc is worn out and there's nothing we can do about it. So always get your injuries checked straight away. And if you have any questions, you can certainly leave a message below, or you can contact our office to ask questions. Our number is 5562 1311. And that's it for me today on the Chiro Couch. Now I'll see you all next week with a new topic. Bye for now.